Allegations fly thick and fast in Mumbai drugs case. A full-blown war of words has erupted between ex-Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik. Now, Nawab Malik has alleged a fake counterfeit note scam that was going on under Fadnavis' protection under his tenure. Now, he questioned the appointments done during Fadnavis' tenure and also alleged that people linked to 1993 blast accused Dawood Ibrahim were appointed to key posts. The minister also went on to make several other allegations against Fadnavis and also question him regarding allegations which is linked to shielding NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede since he was investigating the fake note scam. And the allegations come a day after Fadnavis alleged that Nawab Malik had bought land illegally from Mumbai blast convict and close associate of Dawood.
आप मुख्यमंत्री रहते हुए इस महाराष्ट्र में आपने सारे क्रिमिनल लोगों को सरकारी पदों पर बिठाया, जाली नोट का नेक्सस आपने चलवाया, आपने रियाज भाटी के जरिए पूरी उगाही का काम किया, आपने थाना में कमिश्नर बैठा के कंप्लेंट पूरे महाराष्ट्र की करा के उगाही का धंधा करवाया और विदेश से खुखाए गुंडे फ़ोन करके सेटलमेंट पुलिस वाले करते थे। और ये सारा खेल आपके आशीर्वाद से महाराष्ट्र में चल रहा था कि उस समय भी उस केस का जो इंचार्ज था वो भी समीर दाऊद वानखेड़े ही था, क्योंकि देवेंद्र जी के प्रोटेक्शन में जाली नोट का खेल इस महाराष्ट्र में चल रहा था। 8 अक्टूबर 2017 को डायरेक्टर इंटेलिजेंस रेवेन्यू ने बीकेसी में एक छापेमारी की जिसमें 14 करोड़ 56 लाख रुपए के जाली नोट पकड़े गए। तो उस मामले को रफा दफा करने के लिए देवेंद्र जी ने उसमें मदद करने का काम किया। जाली नोट का नेक्सस आईएसआई पाकिस्तान दाऊद वाया बांग्लादेश, ये पूरी जाली नोट इस देश में फैलाई जाती है।
Our correspondent Sandhya Gora is with us to give more details on this. So, Sandhya, it's astonishing to see how this particular blame game has turned into something so ugly. Yesterday, we saw how Fadnavis came forward and countered all the claims that were made by Nawab Malik. Today, again, we are seeing Nawab Malik making fresh allegations, even bigger allegations on Fadnavis. And nobody knows the truth, the complete truth, who is lying, who is not, what is the truth, what is not. But one thing is for sure, that allegations are flying thick and fast in this particular case.
See, you're absolutely right. Allegations are being leveled by both sides, and you know, it has become a daily routine. Every day in the morning we get to know that either Nawab Malik or somebody from BJP is claiming that they are going to expose influential people, they are going to do they are going to bring the truth out. The anticipation becomes really, high. But once the PC starts, whether it was Devendra Fadnavis yesterday or whether it was Nawab Malik today, beyond a point, both of these parties don't really have any proof to substantiate or back up their claims when it comes to political blame game here. See, if we talk about Nawab Malik's exposes as well. In the beginning, when he was targeting Sameer Wankhede, at that time he did produce some documents which he claimed were absolutely authentic, whether it was Sameer Wankhede's birth certificate or it was his Nikah-nama, trying to establish that he forged his caste certificate to in order to get his job. After that, the letter which Nawab Malik claimed was written to him by an anonymous NCB official, that letter is also now considered by the vigilance team of NCB, which is conducting a probe against Amir Wankhede and Mumbai NCB team. So till that stage, there were things which were coming out, and those things were taking a legal course. But since last few days, whether it was yesterday's press conference of Devendra Fadnavis or today's allegations which are leveled by Nawab Malik, whether or not these things are going to take a legal course, that is absolutely doubtful as of now, because both of these parties, what they have done is they have claimed whatever they had to say in the press conference, they have claimed that they are going to take it up, but take it up where and when? That is something which is not clear. So if we talk about what is substantial which is happening in the case, again, three things. First is Mumbai Police SCT, which is looking into the extortion allegations which are leveled by Prabhakar Sahil. Second, NCB's vigilance team, which is investigating again corruption and extortion charges against Samir Wankhede and his team. And third is the NCB SIT, which is looking into the 6 cases which were transferred from Mumbai NCB to the SIT here. Apart from that, a parallel investigation is the claim of Nawab Malik that the state of Maharashtra's caste committee is actually looking into the authenticity of caste certificate provided by Samir Wankhede, and later on they are going to escalate that matter if that is found to be fake and not authentic. So these are the things which are actually happening legally, which will have some ground results also. But when it comes to these allegations which are leveled by both the parties against each other, as of now, they are just the talks.
Right. Also, Sandhya, let me just go through all the allegations that have been made by Nawab Malik today against Fadnavis. Devendra Fadnavis allowed underworld to flourish in Mumbai. He was running a counterfeit scam with the help of Samir Wankhede. All these allegations are big in nature, and it is against ex-Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Are we expecting BJP to go full-fledged, aggressive on this and reply Nawab Malik anytime soon?
See, BJP is going to respond to it. Today a press conference is scheduled also. But as I said, in this case, now this matter actually, the stage on which at which this matter is, both the parties are claiming that they are using words like hydrogen bomb, they are using words like bomb explosion, all these kind of words they are using, and they are claiming that they are going to expose the other side completely and fully. But when we really listen to what they have to say, you'll realize that most of these are just claims. Yesterday, Devendra Fadnavis came forward and said that Nawab Malik has links with underworld people. He, in fact, bought property from those who were convicted in cases. But what exactly beyond that, Devendra Fadnavis did not say. Today also, Nawab Malik is levelling allegations that Devendra Fadnavis was collecting protection money across the state from builders. Their properties were forcefully being transferred. Samir Wankhede, who was associated with a case of counterfeit notes, which was seized in 2017, there also Devendra Fadnavis settled that matter. So all these allegations also have to be backed up by something concrete. So that's why we asked Nawab Malik the question that now specifically in Maharashtra, NCP is the party whose leader is the Home Minister. So on the legal front, what exactly Nawab Malik is going to do? Is he going to approach Maharashtra's Home Minister stating that he has certain proofs with him and he would like the state to investigate it, state agencies to look into it? And also another question is, if Devendra Fadnavis till yesterday knew everything about Nawab Malik's alleged underworld connections, why didn't he do something when he was the one who had the Home Ministry of Maharashtra from 2017 till 2019? So the matter here is, as I also said, that as of now, there are allegations which both the parties, both the sides are leveling against each other. But at this stage, when it comes to substantiating it with proper proof, backing it up with evidence, that is something where a lot of scope is not there, because that is something, that front, both these parties are just making statements and not taking the matter to another scale, which is actually approaching either the court or some agency or some government and asking for an inquiry, because that is the only thing which is going to give some result. Otherwise, leveling of allegations can go on.
Right. That's the biggest question there. Thank you, Sandhya, for sharing all those details.